Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing the experiment resistivity of the material of the wire. Our aim is determination of the resistance of a given wire using Ohm's law and hence to find the resistivity of the material of the wire. The apparatus used is a wire of unknown resistance, a battery, voltmeter, ammeter, plug key, rheostat and a meter scale. The principle is Ohm's law, which states that the electric current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductor when the temperature and other physical conditions remain constant. The formula used are resistance of the wire R is equal to V by I in ohms, where V is the potential difference across the wire in volts, I is the current through the wire in ampere, resistivity of the material of the wire denoted by rho is equal to pi into small r square into capital R divided by L in ohm meter, where capital R is the resistance of the wire in ohm, L is the length of the experimental wire in meters, small r is the radius of the wire in meter. Coming to the circuit diagram, denoted like this. In the actual connections, this is the battery, the positive terminal and the negative terminal. It is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter, and the negative terminal of the ammeter is connected to the negative terminal of the voltmeter and the resistance in parallel. Also, the positive terminal of the resistance is connected to the resistance and the upper terminal of the rheostat. Lastly, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the lower terminal of the rheostat. Those are the connections. In the observation, the radius of the experimental wire which is given is small r, which is 0.22 millimeter, which is 0.22 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Length of the experimental wire L is 1 meter. The tabular column which is written has the trial number, the voltage measured in volts, the current in ampere and the resistance V by I in ohm. And then finally we write the average value of R in ohm. Let's start the experiment. The ammeter is at 0 reading and the voltmeter shows a deflection. As we move the holder of the rheostat at a deflection of 0.25 ohms, we get a voltmeter reading of 1.6 and we enter the values. So 0.25 and 1.6 to get 6.4 as the resistance. The calculation is done as follows. As we saw from the formula, the resistivity is pi r square into r divided by L. Pi is substituted as 3.14. The radius of the wire which is given is 0.22 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters whole square into the resistance which we just obtained, which was 6.4, divided by the length of the wire which is 1 meter. Correspondingly, we obtain the value of the resistivity which is 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. Similarly, we calculate the average value of R and you will get an average value of the resistivity.